Namaste! Vadakam Vandanam! Welcome to my Futoshi and Fish channel. I'm Futoshi. Today I'm gonna eat raw fish and I got fresh fish at Chennai. Let's watch it! This is a video I took in Chennai. Look, fisherman just came back from the sea. Unfortunately, the fish market was closed because of the strike by fishermen, so I couldn't get fish from the market. But luckily, I was able to get fresh fish directly from the fisherman. I could see so many kinds of fish along the sea. This is a black skipjack, also big crabs, prawns, lobsters, mackerel, Spanish mackerel. Some of them I don't know the name because it's a bit different from Japanese fish. I was so much excited. But when the market is open, definitely I will visit Chennai again. Today I'm going to cook black skipjack. I'm cutting off the head. I'm going to cook two dishes today. One is lightly roasted skipjack and the other one is sashimi. Normally I can't eat fish from shop in India, so I want to try raw taste. This fish is tastier than normal skipjack and it's rare to get it in Japan. People say the taste is between tuna and skipjack. So I'm very excited to eat this for the first time because we hardly ever get it in Japan. Next, I'm cutting off the back fin and I'm going to fillet the fish into 3 pieces in the Japanese way. I already gutted the fish and washed it once. Okay, now two fillet is done. For this piece, I need to remove the bone of this part. For the other fillet, it is too big to eat at once, so I'll leave this big piece in the freezer for the next time. And I cut in the middle to remove the bone here and make it half. And then for this, I need to cut off the bones and the fish meat with bloody color. Normally when we cut fish, we use a different kind of knife, but I don't have it in India, so with this knife it's too hard to cut. See? It looks so delicious. Next, I remove the skin. By the way, when you eat raw fish, the thing that we always need to be careful of is parasite. Its name is anisakis and can be the cause of serious food poisoning. If you eat this parasite, you will need to go to the hospital to remove it. So, when you eat raw fish, you need to look at fish meat very carefully. For the other piece also, remove the skin, don't be strong, handle it with care. Okay? For this piece, I'm going to cook a little roasted skipjack. Then I put it on the grill. Need to turn it little by little and then make a bright brown color on the fish surface. In Japan, little roasted skipjack is the most familiar dish of this fish, and we can easily get it from the supermarket. Skipjack is also famous in Japan as katsuobushi or bonito flakes. We use katsuobushi to make soup broth. We eat miso soup made from katsuobushi every day, so skipjack fish is very important in the Japanese dishes. After I put baked brown color on all sides, I will cut into 6 slices. First I cut it diagonally, but I made a little bit of the damage on the fish meat, so I changed it to cut it vertically. See? Then I will put it on the plate. How can I put it on to make it look more beautiful? I'm trying my best for good. For the other dish, sashimi, I cut the skipjack meat into the thick slices. Look at this beautiful red meat. This is really tasty. And then put it on the plate. For bitter taste, we normally prepare some seasoner for the dish. This time, I prepare spring onion and cut it into small pieces. And I also put garlic. Okay, it's done. Okay, now it's tasting time. I was really looking forward to this time. First, I will taste sashimi with soy sauce. Very good. But it still has a little bloody smell. Next, I will try little roasted skipjack with ponzu. This sauce is a mixture of rice vinegar, soy sauce, and lime. I put spring onion into the sauce and then put garlic on it and tasted it. I love spring onion. Right. Very good. even much better. I prefer little roasted skipjack to sashimi. I want to eat this again. I want to eat this again. With garlic and Moses spring onion. Very good. I'm so happy to eat this. Actually, I didn't like the taste of sashimi that much, so I decided to remake another dish, fish masala. First, I'm going to make ginger garlic paste. I'm peeling ginger and I added some water. Next, I put garlic and ginger into the grinder and turn it on. Okay, ginger garlic paste is ready. Put the lemon juice on the fish. And then add ginger garlic paste. Also, I'm adding fish masala powder. Mix it well and marinate. I add a little salt also. Okay, then I will fry the fish now. Put some oil in the pan and put some curry leaves. I smell so good curry leaves smell now. And add the fish and fry it. I need to turn over the fish until it's cooked well.
5 minutes later.
I fried it for about 5 minutes, so I put the fish on the plate. Okay, now let's eat. This is delicious on sashimi. The bad smell is gone.
ごちそうさまでした。Today, I cooked blackjack fish and made 3 dishes. Little baked skipjack, sashimi, and eventually sashimi had a bloody smell, so I made fish masala. After I put ginger, garlic and masala, so the bloody smell was gone, so it was delicious. But I wonder why the sashimi had a bloody smell. The reasons, I guess, is that because it was out of the season, or I was wrong with the process of freezing to bring it to Bangalore, or I was wrong with preservation. Eventually, I cooked the fish masala, so I was able to eat and it was delicious. In conclusion, I'm fully satisfied with this fish because it was delicious enough. Even in Bangalore, we can't get this kind of fresh fish at any restaurant. If you guys get fresh fish, you can cut it and cook sashimi or little roasted skipjack or fish masala like what I showed you today and enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this video. To watch more videos, please subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye.